Good morning. If you're new to my channel, my name's Francis. I am studying for a doctorate in clinical psychology at Oxford University. I'm going to take you on episode 2 of A Day in My Life. We're going to have 3 lectures. It's going to be great. Once again for breakfast, we're having porridge with chocolate and frozen fruit. Tried and tested, had it for years. Does the job. Very cheap, student friendly. Just life's good, basically. Also, thoughts on whether I'll have this later. Not sure. Firstly, what are we doing at the Faculty of History if we're a psychology course? The answer is, I don't really know. We keep getting put in different buildings, but I kind of like it because we get to see different departments of Oxford, which I intend to show you. Well, it looks good. Let me in! Let me in! Apparently lecture starts at 10. Our morning lecture was about taking a sexual history as a clinical psychologist. The main point was surprisingly simple. Sex often matters clinically, but we skip it because it makes everyone feel awkward. So the takeaway is to ask calmly about it, just like sleep or mood or appetite, and then follow up on what is actually relevant to the person's presenting problem. What are you talking about?
No, nothing. Just the lecture.
Thoughts on taking a sexual history?
No, we were just talking about lunch, actually.
Oh, yeah.
And where we might go, maybe McDonald's, something like that.
What do you think of taking a sexual history?
Yeah, it was really fun actually.
Was it good?
Really.
I thought it was really interesting.
Yeah, I liked it.
Unfortunately for Liam, we didn't end up at McDonald's for lunch, but we did go to Gloucester Green, a really popular outdoor food market spot in Oxford, which is also home to the UK's first board game cafe.
So good.
How has the decline compared to your expectations?
I think a lot more work than I was hoping it to be. A little bit longer than a 9 to 5, sadly, but also quite nice. A nice balance of placement and lectures, social elements.
I think lots of people have moved to Oxford. It's really nice because it means we can all get to know each other and support network. I think that's a lot more sociable than I thought.
Go for a shower.
Hey guys, you recording? The afternoon lecture was about couples therapy to help couples understand each other better, improve their communication, and enhance their well-being. Couples therapists might teach practical skills like replacing yes but with yes and to validate both perspectives during a discussion, and use of the I, shifting from phrases like you're so rude to I feel hurt, which keeps the focus on feelings rather than blaming. As couples therapy goes on, they might explore transgenerational themes like how attachment patterns and family patterns from childhood shape current interactions between a couple. It's DJ season. Whack on the filter thing, just.
Oh, that's sick.
So the thing with DJing is,
Yeah, think about
all that
DJing.
transition. The software matches the tempos,
Yeah.
as you can see.
Yeah.
It's just about sliding
Yeah.
the volume knob from
Yeah.
one side to the other.
That sounds good. That's good. Oh man. Very sick.
Piece of cake.
Let me search it. Oi. That was good. That was really good.
That KFC was massive. I'd love to see a nutrient breakdown of that meal. $7.99, which was a mighty bucket. I not only got a mighty bucket, I also got regular fries because I did this weird select a hammer thing on the app. Student offer free mini fillet burger or popcorn chicken snack box. Got the popcorn chicken snack box, which comes with another portion of chips. So it's 3 portions of chips and a lot of chicken. So yeah, it's all just settling in now. I've had an apple just to feel a little bit more self-esteem about myself, feel like I've sort of outweighed the karma of consuming that KFC. I want to try and apply some of the DJing that I did at Gwan's and apply it to some editing that I'm doing. I'm gonna spend the rest of the evening doing that. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more vlogs like this in the future. I do content about Oxford, but also about doing my clinical psychology doctorate. And if you haven't already, check out my first vlog at Oxford by clicking here.